Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to take learner's permit test online in New York. The first thing I want you to do is go to dmv.ny.gov. Okay, this is the official website for New York State DMV. And then come here, click on licenses, permits, and IDs, click on learner permits. And then what I want you to do is come right here, click on prepare for and take your permit test. Then I want you to go ahead and do this, okay? So here are practice tests. What I want you to do is go ahead and get this application. You'll need to print this online. Okay, we'll need to take this to a DMV office and I'll show you how to schedule this. So go ahead and print this. You'll need to do this, okay? And then what you need to do is come to the next step. Click on schedule and take a road test, right? I want you to scroll down. We'll schedule a test. Click here on schedule test. Click on OK right here. This is the scheduler. And you enter your New York State DMV ID, okay, date of birth, and then you log in. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to go ahead and sign up, okay, and use your ID, and then you'll be able to schedule. Just make sure you meet the requirements to go ahead and take a road test, right? Just print all the documents that you will need, fill these in. Then you take this to your DMV office and you can take your test. Okay, this can only be done offline. This is just the first process that can be done online. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.